Welcome to Mix CG Arts. Today, we're diving into the world of 3D animation to create a captivating gear sequence. Watch as two additional gears elegantly follow the rotation of the first. Let's jump into Blender and bring this mesmerizing animation to life. Ready? Let's get started. But first of all, let's enable Add Mesh Extra Objects. Go into Preferences, navigate to the Add-ons tab, and search for Add Mesh Extra Objects. Now, check the box to enable it. Now press Shift-A to add a gear. I'm pressing numpad 7 to go to the top orthographic view. Press Shift-D to duplicate. I'm using the Move tool to adjust the object's position. Navigate to the Object Constraint Properties tab. Now, add a Copy Rotation Constraint. Now, use the eyedropper tool to select the other gear for the constraint. Select the object and press Tab to enter edit mode. Press R to rotate and hold Shift to rotate it slowly. Press Tab to return to object mode. Press G and then X to move along the X-axis. Hold down the Shift key while moving. Press Shift-D to duplicate. Press GY to move along Y-axis. Now, remove the gear from the constraint, and using the eyedropper tool, add the second gear to it. Select the object and press Tab to enter edit mode. Press R to rotate and hold Shift to rotate it slowly. Now, if we rotate the first gear, the other two gears follow the same rotation. However, we want to rotate them in the opposite direction. Now, select the second gear. In the constraints, remove the X and Y axes because we don't want to rotate the gear on the X and Y axes. Now, here's the real trick. Reveal the magic by enabling Z on the Invert tab. Now, select the other gear and repeat the same process. Now, when you rotate the first gear, you can observe the other gears following the desired direction.